this out. So I bought a ticket for €1.5 from Abu Dara, and this bus will be taking me right to the airport. So I will be showing you the airport, around the airport, and also some information that may help you, okay, when you arrive. So yeah.
Next stop, Hotel City Crete Beach. Επόμενη στάση, ξενοδοχείο Καλιάπολης.
I want to make it very clear to you, if you are someone who is trying to catch a plane and you are getting into the bus from Abu Dara, make sure you get into the bus like 2 hours before, at least 3 hours, because you gotta be at the airport also like 1 hour before the boarding. So yeah, but if you are flying 12 o'clock, you gotta get into the bus around 9:30 or 10, depending on the day. Like today I got into the bus and it's been like a complete hour. We are inside the bus going toward the airport, and yeah, there's traffic in the city, and it is a slow process. Yeah, so make sure if you are taking the bus, take it early, especially if your destination is airport. You don't want to miss your flight. All right, so finally we are at the Nikos Kazantzakis bus station in Heraklion, Crete, and today it is the 24th of May. As you can see, this is where the buses will bring you and drop you if you are coming to the airport. Okay, so we are gonna take a very nice and chill walk without getting hit by a car. I could easily walk to that side, yeah, from here. Okay, so that's the way coming from the highway, and also you can take that where the white bus, when you can go that way and you can get to the highway. If you want to go to Agios Nikolaos, or if you want to go to Retimno, you can get to the highway right from here. Okay, and you can get to the bus station from here. If you are coming from Abu Dara, or if you are coming from Agios Nikolaos, you can take the highway and you can enter. There are boards directing you toward the airport. Here we have a canteen, they have water, they have coffee, they have all sorts of stuff that you can buy, okay? But you know that they won't allow you to get water with you and go through the boarding, you know, then you have to buy your own water there inside. So yeah, let's take a walk and see what's going on. Here we have some car rental companies. They are parking in this area, and some people are planning on renting the car. Yeah, it's always a good thing if you have the luxury to rent a car. Believe me, I was in the bus for an hour or so coming from Abu Dara. I began to feel like car sick or bus sick. I was feeling like I'm about to vomit. Yeah, not a good feeling, especially when there is traffic. So if you are someone who is planning on vacationing, please go and please save some money and spend your money on renting a car instead of there is a lots of pleasure and facility to be able to rent your own car. It gives you a lot of freedom. Okay, so now we are in front of the departure. This is where the taxis, or you can come, and this is the departure area. And next to the departure area, we have like a coffee shop over there, Flow Cafe, and you can also grab snacks and drinks from there as well. And here the parking is not really too much allowed, you can see. And if they are parking here, then it's just for you to bring somebody, drop it here and leave. If you would stay for longer, then you're going to get a ticket from the police. They will charge you. So yeah, make sure, especially when it is the season time, you gotta bring anybody you want to bring, leave it here and leave, because everybody is coming here, and then they want things to be fair. I can see everywhere there is police walking and keeping an eye on this area, so nobody is like leaving the car and just disappearing from here. And over there we have like the taxi line. So those taxis are waiting on the line, but there is the actual taxi stop is there. And we have inside the airport as well some fast food shops and shops that you can buy things. Yeah. This is also departure door. This one is also open for departure. And then when you enter the airport, there is no smoking is not allowed. So you can smoke here outside, but not inside. And this is the taxi stop. This is like the official taxi stop is here. And in the past there was some information that they could tell, you could read the prices, but I don't know if that information is still available or not. Wow, this is also departure and it's open now. And you can see some tourists are just coming. Yeah. All right, so yeah, we still have this at the taxi stop. We have this map here. All the prices are already written here. I will tell you some of them. Like if you want to go to Chersonesos, it's gonna be 42 euros, and to Kokini it's gonna be 27 euros, and to Malia it's gonna be 53 euros, to Iliunda it's gonna be 98 euros, to Ayos Nikolaos it's gonna be 85 euros, and to Mochlos it's gonna be 130 euros. Yeah, to Tsousoros it's gonna be 95 euros. So it's up to you. You can come here and you can read this map and you will figure out all the prices. And if there are any other places which is not written on the map, you can ask the taxi drivers. Yeah. And if you are visiting Crete, I highly recommend visiting Spinalonga, the old town of Rethymno. Very beautiful pictures. Very, very beautiful pictures. Yeah. I'm really feeling sorry for those of you who came to Crete for vacation and we had all the time clouds, rain and not good weather. Yeah, now the weather is good. Tomorrow the weather is gonna be also good, but the day after tomorrow is gonna be again rainy. So still don't give up, come again. And as you can see, all these tourist companies, services, like they have their agencies, their shops here that they will help you and guide you to your bus and to your shuttle to get out of the airport. And right at the airport we have like Alpha ATM Machine Bank, Piraeus, and the National Bank of Greece. If you need cash, remember, get some cash from here. Yeah. And this is the arrivals over here. We have one arrival over there and we have another arrival here. Yeah. Those who are about to arrive in the June are the luckiest people, because they are gonna have the best weather. Yeah. So in case if you are just coming by yourself and you are making your own decisions and you don't have any package or plan, and if you are ignoring the taxi, then you just want to explore, then let me help you. So what you can do is, like, that's the arrival, you came out and you just keep walking here, and this is the gate to out of the airport. Now we are officially out of the airport area. Okay, so we have a bus station over there. It's like the Iktel bus station. This is like the ordinary bus station, which can take you from one city to another city and from one town to another town. It's not like the inside the city bus station. Look, this is the airport. This is the airport. This is the exit or the entrance, and right over there, I will link an exact location to that bus station, so you can easily click on it and show you. I will read you the board so you can read some. I will tell you to what places you can go from here. You can go to Govis from here, you can go to Stalis from here, you can go to Malia from here, you can go to Agios Nikolaos from here, Erapetra, you can go from here to Sete, you can go from here. Yeah, Intercity bus services. Also, you can buy tickets from here. Kukini Khani, you can go to Kukini Khani from here, and Guves. So you cannot go to Ritimno Khania from here, but you can go to almost any other places from here, and the Ktel bus will take you from here. Do you understand that? I'm speaking English to you. You get it? Okay, so don't ask too many questions later. I will leave an exact link to this location, and also in the meantime there is at the reception somebody who will help you. Okay, and then we have the car rental companies here. Look at them. We have a bunch of them here with the cars. We have like the Auto Holidays, we have the Hertz, we have the Enterprise, we have all of them here. You can just get out of the airport and just you can go to the company of your choice. Then you can rent a car as well. So that's right here. But if you want to go to the city and to Heraklion city, if I had like an easy flight and if I was here at the right time, I just could easily walk to the center of Heraklion from here. It's gonna be around 45 minutes, an hour walk. Sometimes you will be faster than the bus, because if there is traffic, it is a little bit difficult and boring. But if you think like, come on man, I've been traveling all day long from here to there, I just want to sit, put my self on a seat of a bus, and then I want to let the bus to take me to the center of Heraklion or to Amudara. Then what you can do is you can come here the way that I'm walking. Yeah, so we will walk a little bit, and there is the place, the area where you can buy the city bus tickets. It's gonna be €1.5 to Amudara, and the bus passes by the bus will pass inside the city. It will pass by the main bus station, Ktel bus station, which can take you to Ritimno. I will try to make a good video to explain to you all of this stuff, but in this video I cannot put everything together. It is kind of getting a little bit out of control. Okay, so this was like you see this bus here, over here, this bus is a city bus, and with €1.5 or €1.20, it can take you to the center, and yeah, from there you can figure out your own way. And even if it take you not exactly to the bus station that you want to be, if it gets you to the center, then you can ask somebody, how can I go to the main bus station, and they will show you how to get to the main bus station. So yeah, this was it for Heraklion Airport, Nikos Kazantzakis. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section, and yeah, if you are having a good time, consider subscribing to support the channel, support me. My PayPal account link and Patreon account link in the description. Other than that, until the next time, peace. I was rushing a little bit. I thought this bus will go to the to Amudara, but no, this bus is not going. This is number 11. The bus number 6 will go, and I bought the ticket, and this ticket is €1.5, as you can see here. Yeah, €1.5, and it's not. And then what you can do is, if you want to get to the main station, you can tell the bus driver, can you please drop me on the main bus station? I want to go to Rhythmno. Easily he will drop you, instead of like sitting in the bus and just pretending that somehow the driver will understand where you wanna drop yourself, or where you wanna go out of the bus. Doesn't work like that. You gotta be pronounced, and you gotta explain. You're gonna tell them where you wanna get down. So yeah, and this was it, a little video about the airport and finding your way around the airport. So yeah, peace.